International Tuition Center. Now, this question is about metals. Okay, you can see there, show about figure 6.1 shows about a blast furnace used to extract iron from its ore. Okay, you can see there we have got the waste glasses where air enters. Okay, then we also have got where slugs comes out. We have got point A. Okay, good. Now, question number 1. Coke and iron ore are added at the top of the blast. Name one other substance that is added at the top of the blast. Okay, name other one substance that is added. Good. Think about it. Think about it. There is limestone. Limestone, or known as calcium carbonate. So either of the answer, you get the 1 mark. Number 2, name the substance that leaves the blast at point A. Okay, here we have got the air getting in. Here we have got the slag, which are the impurities leaving out. And then there is another substance that leaving at point A. So which substance is that? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. That is our molten iron. Molten iron. Good. Number 3. Slag is produced from an impurity in the iron ore. Name the impurity in iron ore that is converted into slag. What is the name of that impurity that is converted into this part, slag? Okay, think about it. Think about it. The name of the impurity is silicon oxide. Silicon oxide, or some may also name it silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide. Good. Number 4. Name 2 substances that react together to produce the high temperature in the blast. Name 2 substances that react together to produce the high temperatures in the blast. Good. Think about those 2 substances. Think about it. Now the 2 substances are what? Coke, which contain carbon, and oxygen. Oxygen, which is from the air. That's why we have got air getting in with at the sides here. Air getting inside containing oxygen, and then limestone or coke is introduced from the top here. Okay, so entering there, they meet there, and then they produce high heat. After producing high heat, they heat up the iron, and then the iron comes out as a molten iron there at point A. Good. Now you can see waste gases also coming out here. So our question number 4 is asking, name 2 waste gases that leaves the blast. Name 2 waste gases that leave the blast. Number 1, think about it. We have nitrogen. Nitrogen coming out. Then number 2, we have got carbon dioxide or carbon dioxide. Then lastly, we have argon gas. So either of the 2 gases will reward you 2 marks. Okay, good. Thank you for revising with Pan International. For more, you can join our institution so that we can look at these topic metals into details together with you. Welcome.